Hello students, I'm Dr. Hina giving you the naming of organic compounds as a IUPAC nomenclature. Let's see the compound. This is the first example. Now just see that how many carbons are there. This is C1, 2 and 3. You have to see the longest carbon chain. So there are total 3 carbon atoms in the longest carbon chain. So here the parent name will be going as prop. Now all these bonds are single bonded. That's why we keep the name as alkane series. This comes under the alkane series. Both the examples which are given below are the examples of alkane series. So this is the general formula of alkane, and the example is this: 3 carbon atoms, that is, it is the parent name comes as propane. Now you just take the prefix, that is prop. This is important. So now here the propane and the position of branching is the second step that you have to follow. So for branching, I have to see, or I have to circle how many branchings are present in the parent compound. So let this be the parent skeleton, okay? And the branching will be CH3 group. So this CH3, the position of CH3 group at second position, that is second carbon atom. So we will write 2. Then after that, the CH3 group is called as methyl group. Now, why this is called as methyl group? The reason behind it is, see, the formula of CH4, the name is methane. So if you have one hydrogen less than methane, then you call it as a methyl. So one, you just subtract 1 from 4, okay? So you will get CH3, and that's equal to CH3, which is nothing but methyl group, right? So now, so this comes out to be 2-methyl propane, 2-methyl. Now here, since all are single bonded compounds, we take it as a propane. So this is 2-methyl propane. Okay, got it? So this is the answer for your question. Second IUPAC organic compound is given to you here is, that is CH3, CH2, CH3, CH3, like this. Now look carefully about the branching. Let's circle the branching first. So I get 2 methyl groups at this position. Okay. Now what I have to do is, we have to number the carbon atom, okay, in such a way that first we have to select the longest carbon chain. My first is select longest carbon chain. Longest carbon chain. So I have selected longest carbon chain, that is the skeleton. Okay, we call it as a skeleton. Second is find branching. Okay, and then you have to name it accordingly. Suppose if it is having double bond, then you can take it into consideration of alkenes and all. Now right now these are all singly bonded, so let's go for alkanes. Now the third point, that is, now I have two possibilities. This is one possibility, that 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the way I can number the carbon atoms which are present in the straight line, that is the straight chain, okay, longest chain, right? Now let's go with another carbon numbering, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what you have to see, you have to see that branching should get the lower number. This is what is important point. Branching should get lower number. So now here, suppose if I go with the this way, that is this way, my branching gets the number as 3. But when I go from here, this side, then the branching gets the number 2. So for me, the 2 is correct and 3 is wrong. So now here, so my name will go as like this. This one will be this, the position will be 2. Okay. Now how many branching is there? there are two methyl groups. Okay, so now there are two methyl groups, so I have to write there 2,2-dimethyl. For since there are two methyl groups, so I have to write dimethyl because both the methyl groups are on the same carbon atom. Then I have to see the straight carbon with how many number of parent chain in the longest chain. So in longest carbon chain, how many carbon atoms are there? There are total 4 carbon atoms. Are there. If 4 carbon atom is there, then the parent name comes out to be butane. So it is 2,2-dimethyl butane. So its name will be 2,2-dimethyl butane is your answer. So this is what is the question which was given to you, and I hoped it helped you. This is Dr. Hina from chemistry. Thank you.